Welcome back to our English listening practice series. Before we begin, make sure you're prepared to enhance your listening skills. Grab a notepad and pen or use a note-taking app because, in each conversation, we will present you with 5 questions to test your understanding. After each conversation, you will have a chance to answer the questions. So, get ready to engage, learn, and practice. Remember, practice makes perfect. Let's start our conversation.
Hey, Crystal, I need some advice here.
What's up, George?
So, there's this redheaded girl in class, and I kind of got a crush on her, but
Ooh.
but yeah, I don't know, how to ask her out. I don't even know if she knows my name, but yeah.
Oh, come
You got any
on.
advice?
Um, I would personally just be natural and just go straight forward.
Go
Just
straight forward
and
and
ask her out.
how I do that?
I don't know. For my personal advice, I think you should just go straight forward and say, "Hi, my name is George," and give
Mm-hmm.
her an
Hold on,
appearance.
I'm gonna write this down.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay, and next step is if you are free, no, you always have to check if she's either married or if she's a lesbian
Mm-hmm.
or if she is single.
Okay.
So, number 3 is what you're looking for.
Okay, number 3.
Mm. So, if she's single, just say, "Hey, how about we go out for a cup of coffee or something?"
Mm-hmm.
And
Coffee.
and yeah, that's how you get her.
So yeah, what if she doesn't like coffee though? I mean, what else could we do on a date?
Mm.
Assuming she will say yes. Yeah, what's fun to do on a date anyway?
Fun to go do on a date is just the fact that you're being with her and just try to get her to know her more.
Hey, wait 1 sec. Do I need to pay for this or?
I don't think you should pay on the first date. I think sometimes that can be offensive to women.
Oh, that's great because I'm totally broke.
I think you should just ask her casually, not like a date. Just say, "Hey, I would like to know you a little bit more," and just go out for a small little drink. Like go to that new cafe that's open. Like
Hmm.
a lot of girls think that place is so cute. I think you should take her there.
But I think cafes are boring.
Cafes are boring. Men! Women don't think so.
Oh,
This is the point. Write it
okay.
down.
All right.
Hey, George, actually,
Hmm.
it's funny that you mentioned relationships because I'm actually having a problem with Joe.
Is that the guy with the curly hair?
Yeah, that guy.
Oh.
He's really nice and everything,
Mm-hmm.
but like I really don't think it's working out.
Why? What's wrong?
Well, he's really narrow-minded and I'm really different. He's nice and everything. He's
Mm-hmm.
kind and sweet and it's just not for me. Like, we're totally
Oh,
different people.
I see. So what are you
Yeah.
gonna do?
I think I have to rip the band-aid and I think I'm just gonna send him an email or something.
An email? But you've
Yeah.
been dating for a while now, and
Y-
you like him, right?
Yeah, like we're so sweet together, but it's just
I mean,
I
isn't it?
don't see a future.
But isn't an email just a little too cold, and he might
Yeah.
tell other people about it? I mean, rumors spreading and whatnot.
Ah. Uh-huh. Okay, then what do you think I should do? How should I do it?
Well, you should probably just, meet him face to face and,
Oh, face to
you know,
face. Okay. Where should I meet him? Like, do you think I should just invite him over to my place?
nah, you should probably do it in public where,
Oh, good, 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 good. I think
I
that's
don't know,
better.
maybe that cafe.
Oh, that cafe, yeah.
Well, while I'm having my date, you could be breaking up with your boyfriend. It'll be great.
You're so mean.
I'm sorry, that was uncalled for.
I don't know what to say. What do you think would hurt him less?
I gotta say, honesty would be the best policy.
Honesty. Okay, so
Mm-hmm.
this is what I'm gonna say. Joe, you're great,
Mm-hmm.
but we're not meant to be.
I
How's
see.
that?
Yeah, it's great. It's great.
Okay, so okay, I'm done. I think I'll meet him at the cafe, and okay, things will work from then. I'll improvise.
Great.
Thank you for joining us today. If you have any feedback or suggestions for future sessions, please leave a comment below. Your input is important to us. Keep practicing, keep learning, and keep improving. Until next time, happy learning and take care.